Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best small dog brushes is probably one of the most important tools you can have for keeping your furry friend happy and healthy. We all know that regular grooming is essential for maintaining a small dog's health and hygiene, and choosing the right brush can make all the difference in ensuring a comfortable and stress-free grooming experience. This video will help you navigate the world of small dog brushes, identifying key features and benefits to help you find the perfect brush for your canine companion. Number 5. Hertzko Self-Cleaning Slicker Brush. Say goodbye to tangled fur and hello to a shiny, healthy coat. It effortlessly removes loose hair, mats, and debris, leaving your pet feeling comfortable and looking their best. Cleaning up after grooming has never been easier. With a simple push of a button, you can retract the bristles and remove all the collected fur in seconds. This brush is your secret weapon against excessive shedding. Its angled bristles gently detangle and remove loose fur, promoting a healthier coat with regular use. Grooming shouldn't be a chore. The comfortable grip handle reduces hand fatigue, making grooming sessions easier and more enjoyable for both you and your pet. Made with soft, fine bristles, it's gentle enough for even the most sensitive skin. It's effective on all fur types, making it perfect for cats and dogs alike. What we like? This brush boasts a self-cleaning mechanism, making post-grooming cleanup a breeze. Its fine bristles gently remove tangles and mats without pulling. If you value convenience and efficiency in your pet's grooming routine, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. This brush is 10x more comfortable for my cat, while still pulling a decent amount of shed hair. Cleaning it is amazing. Just press the button, pull the pad of hair off, and it does not fill up until after nearly a full session of brushing. This brush does exactly what we are told it does. You push the button and the prongs disappear so you can wipe away the fur, then you push the button again and the prongs reappear with no chance of getting stuck in the holes. I have tried a lot of slicker brushes, but this one makes it easy to get the excess hair off and keep going with its button that gets the hair off the brush for you, and you can begin again de-shedding your pup. Number 4. Maxpower Planet Pet Grooming Rake. It's made in Florida and has helped over 1 million pet owners strengthen their bond with their furry friends. We're committed to creating products that care for your pets. This grooming brush features two sides for different needs. One side tackles mats and tangles, while the other gently removes loose fur. It's designed to remove loose hair, dander, and dirt, leaving your pet looking and feeling their best. It's effective yet gentle. The lightweight, non-slip handle makes grooming comfortable for both you and your pet. It's designed for a comfortable grooming experience. It's ideal for pets with long, thick, or double coats. It's not recommended for short-haired breeds. Use short, gentle strokes with minimal pressure. Remember to pull loose skin tight to prevent catching on the blades. What we like? This grooming rake features a dual-sided design for tackling both mats and shedding. It's designed for a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during grooming sessions. If your pet has a thick or double coat and you need a tool that effectively removes undercoat, this is the one for you. What people say. Removes the undercoat loose fur so all that is left is a shiny coat. Cuts through clumping tight mats like butter and really makes life more comfortable for the cats. Works way better than other furminating products I have purchased. My dog tolerated being brushed for much longer than previous tools, and I got a ton of fur off her. Number 3. AUMUCA Dog and Cat Brush. This brush is perfect for all pet owners. It gently removes loose hair, tangles, and dirt, leaving your pet's coat shiny and healthy. It's suitable for all hair types and lengths. The soft rubber tips on the bristles massage your pet's skin without scratching, even on sensitive areas. It's a gentle and effective way to remove shedding hair. Cleaning is a breeze. Just click the button, and the brush will release the collected hair. This saves you time and effort after grooming your pet. It's made with high-quality, durable materials. The thicker, stronger bristles won't bend or break easily, ensuring long-lasting use. The 150 degrees bent needles reach deep into the coat for thorough grooming. We stand behind our product. If you're not completely satisfied, we offer a 100% refund. Enjoy worry-free grooming with our 365-day guarantee. What we like? This brush features a one-click self-cleaning button for quick and easy hair removal. The soft, round-tipped needles provide a gentle massage while removing loose fur. If you are looking for a time-saving and pet-friendly grooming solution, this brush is for you. What people say. The self-cleaning feature is a total game-changer. Just one click and the hair comes right off the bristles. The little mechanism with which you clean hair off the brush is amazing. It works so well, and it's so easy a toddler could do it if they understood what they were doing. I would hate to use a brush without this feature. The bristles are soft yet effective, which is ideal for both long and short-haired cats. The white color looks sleek, and the design is clean and functional without being overly bulky. Number 2. Poodle Dematting Rake. Say goodbye to frustrating mats and tangles. This innovative grooming tool is designed to gently and effectively remove knots from your pet's coat, leaving them feeling comfortable and looking their best. Recommended by professionals and pet owners alike, it's the perfect all-in-one solution for keeping your furry friend looking their best. It's easy to use and makes grooming a breeze. Specifically designed for long-haired pets, it effortlessly removes mats and tangles from thick coats. It's gentle enough for sensitive skin, yet powerful enough to tackle even the toughest knots. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable and secure grip, preventing slips and accidents. The textured rubber makes it easy to hold, even when wet. With extra-long stainless steel blades, it reaches deep into the undercoat to remove mats and tangles quickly and efficiently. It's the best way to keep your pet's coat healthy and shiny. Made with high-quality, rust-proof stainless steel and durable rubber, it's built to last. It's tough enough to handle even the most stubborn mats, ensuring years of reliable use. What we like. This Dematting rake has extra-long blades that reach deep into the undercoat to remove mats and tangles. Its durable construction ensures long-lasting use. If you need a heavy-duty tool to tackle stubborn mats, this is the perfect solution. What people say. This comb has finer teeth and works better than my standard comb on getting knots out. Works on dry and wet fur. It loosens up the curls so you can get out any mats. It's comfortable to hold and my puppy just lays on my lap and it doesn't seem to bother her at all. This Dematting comb has been a lifesaver for my long-haired pet. It easily removes tangles and mats without pulling too hard or causing discomfort. The ergonomic handle is comfortable to hold, making grooming sessions much easier for both me and my pet. Number 1. Poodle Pet Detangling Comb. Say goodbye to matted fur and tangled knots. This innovative comb makes grooming your pet a breeze. It features both long and short teeth, perfect for all breeds, from long-haired to short-haired pets. It's twice as efficient. Unlike other combs, it effortlessly handles both long and short hair, making it ideal for various breeds like poodles, Pomeranians, and Persian cats. The ergonomic, non-slip handle ensures a comfortable and safe grooming experience for both you and your pet. Made with strong stainless steel teeth, it effectively removes mats and knots without pulling or hurting your pet's delicate skin. Highly recommended by professionals and pet owners alike, it's the perfect all-in-one solution for easy and efficient pet grooming. What we like. This 2-in-1 detangling comb features both long and short teeth for efficient mat removal on various coat lengths. The non-slip handle ensures a secure and comfortable grip. If you're looking for a versatile and easy-to-use detangling tool, this comb is for you. What people say. This comb has finer teeth and works better than my standard comb on getting knots out. Works on dry and wet fur. It loosens up the curls so you can get out any mats. It's comfortable to hold and my puppy just lays on my lap and it doesn't seem to bother her at all. This Dematting comb has been a lifesaver for my long-haired pet. It easily removes tangles and mats without pulling too hard or causing discomfort. The ergonomic handle is comfortable to hold, making grooming sessions much easier for both me and my pet. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.